So let's take a look at inductive reasoning. It's one of the two types of reasonings we'll learn in this chapter. Inductive reasoning is all about patterns. So if I go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and stop talking, you probably already guessed I'm going to say 12 next. With inductive reasoning, we're trying to find the pattern. So here, it's a right arrow, star, triangle, arrow, star, triangle, arrow, star coming next. So inductive, that's what we're doing, find that pattern. Let's compare that to deductive reasoning. Now, deductive reasoning is where we're going to spend most of our time. We are going to figure out things about this diagram based on facts that we know to be true. So we're going to start a series of truths, right? Starting from something we know, using only things we know have to be true, and we're going to arrive at our answer. So if I figure out X, I'm going to just step by step take you not only what the correct answer is, but why I know it's the correct answer. So the first thing I want to do is I want to draw right here. Okay, this angle is 100 degrees, right? I know for a fact what the measure of that angle is. It's got to be 80 degrees. The reason why I know that is because those two are a linear pair, and linear pairs have to be supplementary, right? So 180 add up to 180, obviously. 80 and 100 add up to 180. I also know that this angle right here, I know the measure of it. Now, I only know this because these two lines are parallel. But if you take a look, this angle right here, let me just do it right here, and this angle right here, those are alternate interior angles, right? So if they're alternate interior angles, I know that alternate interior angles have congruent, are congruent to each other. So as soon as I figure out that this is 80 degrees, this alternate interior angle is 80 degrees. Well, now I'm rolling, because I know that this angle plus this angle plus this angle, they all have to add up to 180 because they form a straight line. They should be supplementary to each other. 80 and 40 together is already 120, so I'm 60 short of my goal there. Okay, now I feel like I'm in a position to solve for X, because if you take a look, I have a triangle right here. I know one angle is 80, one is 60. That means that that last one has to be 40 degrees. Right. So deductive reasoning takes you step by step, and you should be able to justify every single one of your steps as you go to solve it. Okay.